Morning. I don't know how smart this is of me coming out here after feeling sick, because I can't feel my face right now. We woke up to -1 this morning. It probably is 3, so it's warmed up a bit, thankfully. I thought I'd come out, do a little run walk. What a run walk is for me. I run like maybe 800 meters, walk it off, run. My chest is still tight. I felt great yesterday, and this morning I'm just like, ugh. But it is day 6 of the 12 days of Christmas. We are halfway through. I can't believe it. And today I decided to come out here before it starts raining 100%, because that's what we're expecting here today. I wanted to get outside, be outside. The sun is peeking out behind the clouds today, so I really wanted to come outside today and enjoy the fresh air, even though it's very fresh. It's very fresh. This morning I can't feel my face. I can't feel my face right now, but that's okay, because at least we're getting some fresh air, we're getting some movement. That's what's important. When I get back now, I'm more than likely going to make my muesli for the next 2 weeks. I go and get fresh organic ingredients every month, and I make myself fresh homemade muesli. So that's what I'm going to do this morning, and I'm probably going to start editing. But I wanted to get some movement in today, move my limbs, move my body. It's feeling a bit stiff, and yeah, if I get sick again, I feel it was well worth it. So yeah, let me keep moving, because it's the only way I can stay warm. And I will see you guys at home. Came home to this in the post box, which is the Advent calendar from church. It's got all of the, it's got the calendar of the villages around us. I realized I haven't done an Advent box selection for 3 days, including today. So we're going to do 3 picks today, and then my muesli ingredients are standing over there, so we're going to get into that, and then I'm going to make something. But before I do, let me put the card on the unit inside. job. Sit nicely. Good job. Another cute factor is Eric baked the sourdough while I was out, which is so cute. And you're probably wondering how it does that so fast. We have a bread maker and we use these sourdough premixes. They are from the brand Cars. I think that's how you spell it. Cars. Not really sure. This is how we make sourdough every weekend. And then they have the ingredients and how to make it on the back of the pack. So if you're interested, I can link this below. We get them from Amazon. We get about 8 to 10 slices out of the loaf over there. If you're interested, I'll put the link in the description below. But let's get into the advent box. This is the advent box. I haven't done my daily picks for the past 2 days, so including today, it's 3 picks. So let's get into this and see what we get from the advent box. I did explain why I have an advent box and not necessarily an advent calendar in the day 1 vlog and then in day 2 as well. I'll link them below in the description and then you can have a look at that. I am going to do 3 picks today. So let's get into it. Let me just adjust that. I always get this wrong and you guys can see, I can't see. Okay. So let me just do this. Okay. What is this? Let me just close this again. Okay. So this is Elizabeth Arden hyaluronic acid plus peptide ceramide capsules. Yeah, excited about this. I can just feel my skin going. Love it. Okay, second one. This is a honey and almond deep moisture foot pack. Yes, please. Thank you. I'm going to do like a whole pamper session with all of these goodies. Let me do the last one for today. Okay. The lid on. Nutmeg Home sandalwood scent candle, approximately 20-hour approximate burn time. Oh, do you know what I realized? Love the smell. I realized that I gravitate towards sandalwood. I love sandalwood for some reason. Every time I smell a candle that has a sandalwood scent in it or aroma, I'm like, yes, please. I don't know what it is. I never used to gravitate towards sandalwood, but for some reason, I'm gravitating towards sandalwood candle scents. I'm not upset about it, not mad at it at all. So these are, I feel like a winner today. These are my 3 picks for today. I'm totally going to do a pamper session. Let me know if you would be interested in seeing that in a vlog. So excited. Yeah. Let's get into the muesli because I'm starving after that. I mean, I have to keep moving in order to stay warm. So let me start making the muesli so I can pop it in the oven. It shouldn't take too long. It should maybe take me about 20 minutes. I make my own homemade muesli because I used to buy from a local small business in Cape Town. And I found her at Milnerton Market. Her name is Auntie Kaz. It's Auntie Kaz's muesli. I can insert a picture over here. And she home makes her muesli and she sells them. I know that the last time I had of her muesli, they offered vegan options, and she's based in Cape Town solely, so she ships nationwide in South Africa. I can put her details in the description if you're interested. But the point that I was trying to make was that since having homemade muesli, I can't have store-bought muesli. I tried and it's okay, but it just doesn't have the same taste and texture. So I just started making my own, and I think I mentioned this earlier, I get all my ingredients from a place in Banbury, which I can also link below, and I'll put the name of the wellness store on the screen over here. So let's get into that. I did do the recipe, I think, a few vlogs ago, and I'll link that vlog below as well for you guys if you're interested in seeing how I made it. Here's a rough overview of what it is that I put in. I put in nuts, cut up dried apricots. This is almond flakes in here. This is cranberries in here. This is raisins in here. We've got coconut flakes. I've got a muesli base. There's some nuts and raisins inside of here. So I'm just going to add it all in this. I melt the butter, and then salted butter, by the way. And then I put all of the ingredients in there with a little bit of honey and cinnamon. And I pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for maybe 5 to 8 minutes. I let it cool down, and I have some homemade muesli. 100% rain is now coming in, guys. I don't know if you can see the little droplets on the window. Good Bobby, go Bobby, go Bobby, yay Bobby! Taste. It looked nice and roasted. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. I honestly love a homemade muesli. There's nothing like it. Love it. Let me get some water. Oh, amazing. I can eat this all day, every day. Love it. The time is now 11 minutes past 1. I hope you guys enjoyed the morning with me. I'm more than likely going to hop into the shower, edit. I'm first going to sit down, check my mail, and then more than likely set up the vlog that I have to edit today. And then I'll hop into the shower. It is afternoon already. Can you believe it? I know that this time of the year one can get carried away with Christmas stuff, and the vlog wasn't very Christmassy. I do think it's important that we prioritize going outside as well, because as much as what it is fun and amazing to get whisked away in the festivities, I think that we should also go outside now and again. At least you would have gotten fresh air and moved your body just a little bit. That I think is what is important. So I hope you guys enjoyed spending the morning with me and enjoyed day 6 of the 12 days of Christmas. And I will see you guys in the morning.